Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm walking you through our full experience buying, assembling, and living with our brand new Lovesac Sactional couch. We'd been thinking about upgrading our living room for a while, and my wife really wanted to take a look at the Lovesac brand. I'd seen the ads, but I also knew the price tag was pretty high, so I wanted to really understand the value before spending that kind of money. We started by heading to the Lovesac showroom at Santan Village Mall. Right away, the sales team made a great impression. They walked us through all the features, showed us different configurations, and explained the options for deep seating, standard seating, and how modular the whole system is. With their help, we designed the shape that would fit our house. We went with deep seating on one side and standard seating on the other. The idea was pretty simple. Deep seating for lounging and standard seating for our parents so they can sit comfortably without leaning too far back. Before we committed, we asked for a quote, thanked the team, and left to compare options. We checked out another local furniture store and then went home to measure our space again. Good thing we did. We ended up removing one section from the design so it didn't overwhelm the room. After weighing everything, we decided to move forward with the Lovesac order. We were originally expecting delivery to take about 2 to 4 weeks. Instead, it was ready in just 1 week. So fast that we actually had to place a vacation hold with FedEx. When it arrived, we had 21 boxes. They were big, but honestly not as massive as I expected. And here's something I didn't realize at first. The cushions are packed inside the bases. It really does have that expensive IKEA feel, and everything modular, everything packed efficiently, and yes, everything needs assembly. My wife and I usually work well together on projects like this, and this was no exception. It took a couple of hours to open all the boxes, take all the pieces out, and put the coverings on. We watched a couple of the official Lovesac videos just to make sure we were doing it right, and honestly, the process was easier than I expected. It's just time-consuming because there are a lot of individual components. There were a few things that pushed us toward Lovesac despite the higher cost. 1. The warranty. The core pieces come with a 100-year warranty. That really mattered to us because our last couch had structural issues and needed repairs more than once. 2. Everything is removable. Every cover can be taken off, washed, or replaced over time. With kids, pets, and family life, that flexibility is worth a lot. 3. Long-term value. Even though the upfront cost is high, the idea that you can reconfigure it, expand it, or refresh it down the road made it feel like a smarter long-term investment. We've now been using the couch for several weeks, and we've even had family sleep on it. Comfort-wise, we're extremely happy. The deep side is great for lounging, and the standard side works exactly how we hoped. It fits our space well, looks great in the room, and feels solid. Overall, we're really happy with the purchase. The ordering experience was great, the delivery was faster than expected, the assembly wasn't bad, and the comfort and flexibility have completely lived up to the hype. If you're considering a Lovesac Sactional and wondering whether the price is justified, hopefully this gives you a clear idea of what to expect. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or drop a question in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.